Don't worry at all, Minister. I have joined your party. Your party won't incur any loss due to this. Hold on for a moment. Tara, come here. Every single big wing is defamed in the city. You know that, right? These are media people. It's their work. I don't have any illegitimate child. I'll hang up for now. Just relax. Nothing will happen. It was the minister's call. This article has made my life miserable. Anyway, you tell me, where did you go? Why did you get so late?
I don't know where you had called Deep, so why would I come home then?
Okay, no problem.
Where is Deep right now, Mom? Has he come home or is he still busy with your some work?
I'm right here, sweetheart.
Here he comes.
Sorry, actually it's a big day for us tomorrow, so I was busy in the preparations. Tara, you go and rest in your room. I want to talk to Mom about something.
Is it so important that you can't say it in front of me, Deep?
Nothing. I need to set the agenda for tomorrow's press conference, so the discussion will bore you.
Surprising, Deep. Such a small issue and you're not even looking in my eyes. You could have said it looking into my eyes.
You are too much, Tara. Here, I looked in your eyes. Go. Get some rest.
Yeah, fine. Good night, Mom.
Good night, dear.
Good night, Deep.
What happened? Did Vedika tell you the name of the enemy?
No, Mom. She didn't tell me anything. But the person we were looking for has revealed herself.
Who were we looking for? What's his name?
Virat hasn't arrived yet, Mom. I'll tell you everything once he arrives. You'll be shocked after knowing the truth.
Sister, what are you doing? You should stay with them as Tara, right? They are making plans to catch you and you're going to sleep.
What should I do, Chavani? Deep is very scared of Tara. He can't talk about Arohi in front of her. But you don't worry. I am there, okay? I'll always stay 2 steps ahead of them.
Arohi is alive?
No, it's impossible. This is not possible. I've checked the corpse myself. I got the bullet checked which was found in that corpse. The bullet which Deep had fired on Arohi. Deep himself had performed her last rites. How could she be alive?
But she is alive, Virat. I know that it is very hard to believe, but Virat, it is true. I spoke to her on the phone myself. I heard her voice, and it was Arohi's voice.
Come on, Deep. Someone might be mimicking her. It could be an illusion.
That corpse could be an illusion too, Virat.
No, I don't think so. I'm sure he is our enemy who is blackmailing us with Arohi's name.
It's not the time to fight and argue. But the biggest danger for the Raichan family is that Arohi is alive. She will ruin the future of everyone, including you, me, Virat and Tara. The dream of becoming a political leader, being a member of Rajya Sabha, it's foolishness. It's foolishness to even think about that.
I'm really sorry, Mom. This is all my fault. I failed to kill Arohi, and as a result, your name, prestige, and dreams are in danger.
Don't apologize. In fact, because of you, we came to know that Arohi is still alive. Otherwise, we thought we have performed her last rites. Anyhow, tomorrow I have a press conference. We have 24 hours. I want you to get rid of Arohi within 24 hours at any cost. Only you can do this and nobody else can. Swear to me. Promise me. You won't let your mother lose to Arohi anyhow.
I promise you, Mom. I will never let you lose to Arohi. This time I won't. I won't leave her alive. She has asked me to meet her. But on one condition. She wants me to reach there with Vedika. It clearly means that she wants to rescue Vedika from us. But as soon as she will come in front of me, I will free her from her own life. You don't worry, Mom.
I'm with you, Deep. Arohi is a very cunning and smart girl. She has dodged us and her death many times. Therefore, we will have to make a plan that won't fail.
What plan?
Deep's message? He has called me to meet him at Rishi Mill. I know him very well. He will be well prepared to get hold of Arohi. But he doesn't know that he is going to be trapped by me. In his presence, I will help Vedika escape and he can't do anything even if he wants to.
Tara, what happened? Why are you still wearing these clothes? Aren't you coming with me for the press conference? Tara! What happened, Tara? Sit down. What's happening, Tara?
Actually, I was really stressed out and tense. I don't know what will happen at the press conference, so I couldn't sleep at night now. I have a splitting headache. It's so bad that I can't even keep my eyes open.
Tara, this is not done, dear. It is not good to be so negligent. You are pregnant. Your baby. You don't worry about me. Your mom is strong enough to face the world if needed. Give me your doctor's number.
No, Mom, please let it be. I will go to the doctor myself and get the checkup done as well. And Deep is also here. I will go with Deep. But where is he?
Deep is not here. I sent him somewhere for my work. In fact, Deep and Virat both went. I'm going for the press conference now. Who will take you to the doctor?
But what is more important than my health, Mom?
All of us were really worried that if our enemy sends someone there to say that I am the elect child of Roma Raichan, what will we do then? That's why they went there. I will call your gynac. What is the matter?
Mom, do one thing. You should go. Do what's important to you. I am not so weak that I cannot go to the doctor for a checkup alone. Don't worry, okay? I am absolutely fine. All the best.
Take care of yourself.
Go, Mom. Bye. I have a reason to meet you all alone, Deep. I am coming.
Virat, I have reached here. Did you take your position or no?
I'm ready, Deep. I'm waiting for the prey to be here.
The prey will be there soon. Just make sure that no one sees you, or else our plan will fail. Be careful.
If I have planned something, then it can never fail.
Hello, sister. That Deep is standing here and that Virat is hiding. I'm really worried now, sister. They are waiting for you only.
This means that it is time for both of them to see Arohi. Hello, Deep.
I've been here for a very long time, Arohi. But you are nowhere to be seen. What happened? Did you change your mind or you don't have the courage?
It will be better if you don't talk about courage, Deep. That is because you are talking to a lady who will shake the foundations of your life. I have reached here. All that remains is coming before you. But firstly, have you brought Vedika along with you or not? Because I will not come before you if you haven't got her along.
Vedika is with me. See her if you can.
Chintu, I'm not able to see her face. But she has the same marks on her hands, just like Vedika has them.
So what are you waiting for? Call sister.
Okay. Sister, Deep has brought Vedika with him.
Oh wow, Deep. I thought that you will trick me, but you actually brought Vedika along.
I have something else for you as well. Meet me quickly and free Vedika. Where are you? Why are you not coming forward? Have you changed your mind? Arohi, come forward or I will kill her.
I know for a fact that you won't do something so stupid. There is a broken hut with a big black gate right in front of you, Deep. Come inside.
Deep, Deep! This is one of her tricks. Just do as she says. I'll keep an eye on the car.
Okay.
You will be nearing a mirror now, Deep. So look at yourself in the mirror once. Just look what has happened to you just because you are away from me.
Love and Destiny are calling. Watch the full episode of To Die for Love now. A new episode of Passion and Secrets unfolds every Monday to Friday. Subscribe today and stay with us on this unforgettable journey.